Okay. Liam, wait, Liam. Liam, okay, hold on. Okay.
He has to hold it
You
tight.
have to hold it, honey. I can't video and.
All right, hold tight. I think that's the same one I ate before.
Which Liam? You feeding the little goat?
I think it's the
Okay,
same one.
give him another. Try another
I think
animal.
he's boss. See, they won't.
All right, well let's go over here. He doesn't have to.
Oh, okay.
Come on, let's go over
Let's go
here.
over here and we'll try another one.
Let's go over there.
Down the other side. Come on. Because this guy here, he's running the show. He says, I'm eating, nobody else is.
See, there's some more over
That's
here.
where we're going. Come on, we'll try over here. We'll try this one. See, he's really pulling.
They're pulling hard?
Yeah, he's yanking the heck out of it.
Liam, are you feeding the goat? Liam!
Yeah, look at this one button.
Oh my goodness. Everybody wants some food.
Look at this.
Liam.
Look at that guy go. He says you've had enough. Then he rams him. Look at this, it's crazy.
What are they doing, Liam? Hey, what you doing? What you doing?
Look at him. They're mad at one another.
This is the greatest video of all times. Liam, what is he doing? What's he doing, Liam? What's he doing? Is that a baby? Baby goat.
Put your finger in there, you take it off.
That's a baby goat. Can you say goat? Can you say goat? Look at the other ones. Look at the other one, honey. Look, pull it out and give us some to the other one.
Yeah, then they knock each other out.